Now stop. When you're going beyond this position, you're rounding your back.
You practice the sequence that I've included at the end of this video before these deeper ways of practicing.
And you have to do it gently so you don't tear your hamstring.
In this video, we're just going to address how to get that length, that last little bit of length on the hamstring. So you can almost do a back bend in your forward bend versus this roundness in the spine. This is going to help me untuck my pelvis and stretch that last bit of hamstring that is the toughest part to stretch.
And you have to do it gently so you don't tear your hamstring.
So maintaining the legs very active, spread the toes, lift the knees, and then use your belt to gain that length in the hamstring. If you have a detached hamstring, be very careful. Bend my knees, and I'm going to bring torso in contact with my quads. Bring that internal rotation of the top of the femur, maintaining that contact between my body and my thighs. Good contact. I hold on to my legs and I start straightening the knees, lengthen through the sit bones up towards the ceiling, not lose that contact between my body and my legs.
And you have to do it gently so you don't tear your hamstring.
Slowly straighten my knees.
You do whatever you're doing and I will correct it and see what happens.
This is what I'm doing. Trying to do this adjustment.
Okay. So the first thing, this should be much lower now on your coccyx. Alright. Then what you do? Now stop. When you're going beyond this position, you're rounding your back. So rotate your thighs in, stamp on the outer heels and try to drop here, not here so much. And your arms are not long enough, but you can bring the belt over more towards your head and pull on it. Yeah, it's a good idea to keep your thumbs there. Yeah, like that, but be aware of what's happening here. And what is happening here in lifting this. Now, you can do the same thing if you like, sitting down. But you hang your belt from a doorknob or something. Or if you want to use this on it, put this higher up. And put your belt through this loop. So it's probably easier to put it through here. No, the other way. And for you this may be fine, but for other people this button may not be strong enough. Right? Step forward first. Now slowly begin to sit down. You will be pulled back, so be prepared to walk back. Yeah. There you are. There is your Paschimottanasana.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Yeah, that's where you have to drop here. Now hold it, hold it, hold it. Since you're doing it, you can try this. I will try it with a block. Okay, put a block here where you want to go down. This way. Okay. Keep the block down here and come sit up. Sit up more, sit up more, sit up more, sit up. See what that does?
Yeah.
Now that's where you want to go down from. So let's try a little thinner block. Okay, go. Up, 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 up. And go down again from where the block is. And let's try that yellow brick. Go down. Go up. Hands on the floor. Go up. So it gives you the idea where the back bench or forward bench should come from.
From here.
Even lower down if you can. Okay, to do it a little better, come up. Let me see if I can slacken this a little. Give me slack. Okay, go down. Okay, now put this behind you. Go down first. Put behind you. Just as far down as you can that way. Okay, and then come up. Yeah, that looks better to me. That's also your Dandasana position.
This much untucking?
Because it's doing wrong, otherwise you don't need to tuck so much.
Side doesn't.
The root of that movement is not here, it's here, lower down. And if you stay there slowly, you can lower the block even more. But don't break the block. Let me try to put this behind the belt and see if that looks better. Okay, try that. No, I don't quite do it. That doesn't do anything.
Yeah.
No. It's got to be in front of the belt. Yeah, here, try and get it as far down as you can. Yeah, then come on. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Totally, the other secret is don't get old. But don't use a very hard block there, it can hurt your vertebra. Like none of those wooden things. Keep it softer. And then try and do it without the block.
Without the belt and the block.
Or without the belt also. See if the mind can go there and create the same sense. So first sit in Dandasana. Lift the buttocks very, very, very high. Okay, and remember your tendency is to do it from the lumbar. Don't do it from the lumbar. Do it from much lower down and then slowly go forward. As soon as you find the lumbar is doing it, stop again, untuck the pelvis and go down. And you have to do it gently so you don't tear your hamstring.
Mm-hmm.